Hi, this is Rachel from Pappyjoe Softwares. In the previous video, we have seen how to register new patient in the software. Now we are going to see how to fix an appointment. Once a new patient is registered in our software, we can directly give them appointments in two different ways. As the first method, you can see on the top right corner there is a plus sign. By clicking on that sign, you can select Add option. By selecting, it will direct to an appointment scheduling page. In this page, you can search the patient either by name or email or mobile number or the file number. After selecting the name, the email and mobile number will be automatically loaded. Then you can see two options. One is notify patient and the other is notify doctor as selected. If you want to send a reminder message to the patient, you can do so by giving a tick mark against via SMS before 1 hour. If you wish to send via email, then click against via email. And next you have to make necessary changes in the date and time to fix the appointment. You have to set a particular date, then you have to set a particular time for making the appointment. Then you need to specify the specialization, then you need to select the doctor, and after that you need to specify the procedure for fixing the appointment. After entering all the required details, you need to click on the submit button to fixing an appointment. Once the appointment is fixed, both the patient and the doctor will get a message and an email regarding the appointment. So it will be very helpful for them, like patient can plan a time to arrive in the clinic and the respective doctor can plan his or her schedule accordingly. As you can see on the calendar page, you can also activate a pop-up where you can see three options: details, edit and cancel. Now we can see the second method of scheduling an appointment. As you can see in the practice calendar, we can fix an appointment directly. Click on the required time slot to activate the add appointment page. It will direct to an appointment scheduling page. In this page, search the patient by name or email or mobile or file number. Rest of the procedure is same as before, and you can see the notify patient and notify doctor as selected. Then you have to make necessary changes in the date and time for fixing the appointment. Then you need to make the specialization, you have to select the doctor, and you have to specify the procedure. After entering all the required details, you need to click on the submit button for fixing the appointment. We do have another method to give an appointment, that is by opening the patient profile. To open the patient profile, click on the electronic health records as you can see on the top. Click on the EHR tab where you can see all the added patients profile. Select the particular patient to open the profile where you can see all the details of that particular patient. On the right side, you can see an option called add appointment in pink color. You can click on that option where you can see all the details of that patient. Next, you have to make necessary changes in the date and time for fixing the appointment, and then you need to specify the service. Then you need to select the doctor. Also, you need to specify the procedure. After entering all the required details, you need to click on the submit button for fixing the appointment. Thank you.